Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the portfolio. The red continues, man, down almost 5%. I'm actually really excited to see whether or not the market is gonna continue to go down when the market actually opens in a couple hours. AMD is at 470, I believe already. So, or where it was at 470, but now it's at 480. So AMD is dropping pretty hard, man. Are we gonna see this one continue to go down until earnings? Because I do believe earnings is gonna be insane for this one. Since we are already going down a lot right now before earnings. I think once AMD, if AMD still is around this price, while earnings happens, it will shoot up hard. But I don't know, right? We have a couple more weeks until that happens. But I'm actually very very interested to see if SoFi can go back under 15 or under $16 into the $15 range. If we can see that, I'm gonna buy some more SoFi. Service now is almost $100, under $100, so that's another one that I'm interested in. Meta's still up a lot, so I think I would like to see Meta under 600 before I buy some more. Netflix is the main one that I'm going to be buying when market opens. I'm going to be buying another $1,000 worth of this stock. I said it before. I only put $1,000 into it before earnings because there was a probability that it could go up a lot after earnings or down a lot after earnings. And look what it did. It is going down a lot, right? It went from 71, $72. Oh, actually, yeah, $74 down to $67. So I'm probably gonna buy another $1,000 right when market opens, and if it continues to go down to low sixties, I'm gonna buy even more. I think long term, they will recover. They are all projecting guidance to be a little bit weaker than expected, but they're gonna have some great quarters and they're gonna have some bad quarters. But long term, Netflix always continues to grow, and they can always they're always innovative, and they're a market leader. You know, they're top dog quality stocks. So over the long term, I think eventually we will go back up to all time highs. It might take a few years, but I think Netflix is a great deal right now. But everything, all semis down. SanDisk, look at SanDisk is now $1,300. This used to be $2,300. You know, a $2,300 stock at one point, and now it's down $1,000 from there. Then you see SpaceX, right? It was just at 130. Now it's in the 125 range. We're gonna I freaking told you guys when what was gonna happen with SpaceX. I told you guys SpaceX was going to go up in the first couple days, and that's what it did. And then boom, it's gonna continue to go down for a very long time, man. I think it's gonna continue to go down for years, man. Only thing that I didn't think was gonna happen was AMD going under 500, but it is now under 500. So I think AMD, if it continues to go down, if we see under 450, it might be interesting to buy some. You know, Micron, Micron. This was another one, $1,200 at one point, and now it's $800. So it already lost a third of its value just like that. Not $1 trillion market cap anymore. So I don't know. I think I said it before. I think we might have peaked with Micron. I think we're probably gonna stagnate. We'll probably stay around this price, go up a little bit, but I don't think we'll break past $1,300. But I don't know, man. I don't know. They can never time these things correctly. I mean, Robinhood with their bond sale. I think if we can go down into the 80s, I'll probably add some more. I think Robinhood to look a good stock long term, but markets are going down, guys. Let's actually see QQQ. I mean, even with this kind of weak market right now, we're only down 7% from high. So we need to continue to see some more red before it gets really interesting, right? We need to see some stocks go down harder. But this is the beginning. This might be the beginning of a little small correction. So pay attention, man. Maybe I'm going to be buying a little bit today when market opens. And if next week or the next couple of weeks we see even more red and see some more stocks that I like, and I continue buying a little here, a little there. And that's the game plan for the long term, man. Whenever you see these huge volatile days, these huge red days, and you see stuff that you liked, buy a little bit here, buy a little bit there. That's why you always need to have more money coming in to be able to buy stuff like this. Buy Netflix down 10%, almost 10%. That's that's a really good opportunity right there, in my opinion, right? Do your own